If you've seen people claiming they make passive income with Honeygain, you're probably asking the same question. Is Honeygain actually legitimate, or is it just another online scam? In this review, we'll explain how Honeygain works, how users get paid, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. First of all, what is Honeygain? Honeygain is a passive income application that allows users to earn money by sharing a small portion of their unused internet bandwidth. The company says it uses this network for legitimate business purposes, such as web intelligence, market research, content verification, ad verification, and other data collection services. Unlike survey apps or gig work platforms, Honeygain doesn't pay you for completing tasks. Instead, once the app is installed, it runs in the background while your device is connected to the internet. The amount you earn depends on several factors, including your country, your internet traffic, the number of devices connected, and the overall demand in your area. So, is Honeygain legitimate? The short answer is yes. Honeygain is a legitimate company that has been operating for several years and has paid many users around the world. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it does process real withdrawals once users reach the minimum payout requirement. However, being legitimate doesn't necessarily mean you'll earn a lot of money. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings new users have. Many advertisements make it sound like you can generate hundreds of dollars every month with almost no effort. In reality, most users earn only a few dollars per month unless they have multiple devices, fast internet connections, and live in regions with high traffic demand. Because of this, Honeygain should be viewed as a way to earn a small amount of passive income rather than a full-time source of earnings. Let's talk about payments. Honeygain allows users to withdraw their earnings after reaching the minimum payout threshold. Depending on your region and the available payment methods, users may receive payments through services such as PayPal or cryptocurrency options. Always check the latest payment methods available in your account because they may change over time. Now let's discuss privacy. Since Honeygain uses your internet connection, many people wonder whether it's safe. According to the company, it only shares unused internet bandwidth and does not access your personal files, photos, passwords, browsing history, or private documents. Even so, some users prefer not to install applications that use their internet connection in the background. Whether you're comfortable with this depends on your personal privacy preferences. Like any online service, it's important to read the privacy policy and terms of service before installing the application. What do real users think? Overall, Honeygain receives mixed but generally positive reviews. Many users report receiving real payments after reaching the payout minimum and appreciate how easy the app is to set up. However, one of the most common complaints is that earnings can be much lower than expected, especially in countries with less network demand. Some users also mention that it may take weeks or even months to reach the minimum withdrawal amount if they only use one device. This isn't necessarily a problem with the platform. It's simply how the business model works. So let's look at the pros. Honeygain is free to join. It's easy to install. It runs automatically in the background. It offers real payouts to eligible users. And it doesn't require completing surveys or watching advertisements. Now for the cons, earnings are relatively low for most users. Income depends heavily on your location and network demand. It may take a long time to reach the payout threshold. And because it uses your internet connection, some users may have privacy concerns, even though the company explains how the service operates. So, what's the final verdict? Is Honeygain legitimate? Yes. Is it a scam? No. Does it make you rich? Definitely not. Honeygain is best viewed as a small passive income app that can generate extra money over time, but it's important to keep realistic expectations. If you're looking for a way to earn hundreds of dollars every month with almost no effort, Honeygain probably isn't the right solution. However, if you're comfortable sharing unused bandwidth and want to earn a little extra passive income, it may be worth trying. Before making your decision, we also recommend checking recent user reviews in your app store and reading the latest feedback from other users, since experiences can vary depending on your country. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried Honeygain and what your experience has been.